Hello and welcome to how to make a custom sized design in Canva, a short tutorial for 2024. My name is Seeley Clark. I'll be your instructor today. Welcome. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. So if you do not already have a membership at canva.com, feel free to go to canva.com and sign up there, or you can sign in using Facebook or Google, or you can find another sign up link in the description of this video. So we're going to get stuck right in. And now I'm assuming you have an account in Canva. If you haven't done that, please already go and do that. And once you get that taken care of and you're signed in, it should look just like this. This is your dashboard. It says personal. It'll say free unless you chose to upgrade to the Canva Pro account. But for the purpose of this video, I will be showing you how to create a custom size design in here in the free Canva account. So you're looking at your dashboard. You're going to go up here to the top right where it says create a design. You're going to click on that. It'll give you various things to choose from: documents, whiteboards, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, video, logo, your story, which I believe is for Instagram stories, presentation, resume, poster, flyer, document, invitation, portrait size 5x7, Facebook post landscape, and Instagram stories. So they have all these things for you to choose from here, but if you're going for a custom size, like I am today, I have to create a banner for my primary business, and it's going to be going onto a site that has a little bit different sizes than you see here. So if you're in the market for a custom size design, what you're going to do is when you come into this Canva dashboard is you're going to click on Creative Design, and you're going to go all the way down past all these things I just mentioned, and you're going to look in the lower left-hand corner for this little icon. It says Custom Size. You're going to click on that, and then it'll let you choose your custom size in pixels. Now, if you're doing a different design or for a different purpose, otherwise than online marketing, you can do your design in inches, millimeters, and centimeters also. So if you're doing a t-shirt design, if you're a drop shipper, or if you're an online t-shirt guru that does e-commerce and you're designing your designs in Canva, you can make it custom sized to your particular needs. So anyway, I'm going to leave it in pixels for this example. I am going to be designing a 729 by 90 pixel banner, which is common for the size used where I advertise. Now, one thing you'll notice here, you'll have the width and height in pixels, but whatever you're using for a size, if you look to the right, there's a lock icon, and that's going to lock the aspect ratio. And all that means is that once you lock that and you put this into the guts of Canva and you're working on your design, it will not affect the size of the design when you add elements to it. So for this purpose, I always lock the aspect ratio. Then you're going to click Create a New Design. And this is the actual size of the design we're working on today, 729 by 90. That is how large it will appear in the websites that I put it on. It's a good size. Now I'm going to want to pick a background that is congruent with my business and my purposes. Now for this, you see up here, you have all sorts of templates you can sort through at your convenience, either by event like birthday or Easter or March or music or school. Or you could go to styles and you could switch to that, and you could use the color schemes. But for right now, we're going to stick with templates. And I would like to direct your attention, if you can see my cursor, this particular banner has 3 dots. That means it is available for the Canva free account, but there are other such designs right here, as you can see, that are pro only, so you're going to have to sift through those. And you want to find ones in this case that are, excuse me, that are the free version. So as you're searching for the correct template design, I just wanted to point out this filter feature. If you see search templates, you can search for by color or anything you want, but you can also use this filter function right here. And you can do it by color, or you can do it You can also pick a language, of course, if you're doing something with writing or anything of that nature. You can pick your language and color design. So for today, I'm going to pick a color. I'm going to go back here, and this is a little more what I was looking for as far as colors. And these are all viable, as they are all not pro-selected. These are, in fact, free designs. So we're going to use one of these. I'm going to use this one because it shows up nice and clear. You can put. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to modify this to your own personal needs. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to edit this. Get rid of some of this stuff. And since I want to brand myself, I'm going to put a picture here. And you may or may not want to do this also for branding purposes. You can always take a picture of yourself, find a nice, good, clear, clean picture of yourself. And you can put it through most any background remover online, remove the background, upload it to your free Canva account, and then you'll have a background-free image such as this to use if you need to for branding purposes. Get rid of this because I didn't really want it. All I wanted was the color. This banner's a nice color, so now I'm going to put this in. I can learn how to type. And then since this banner's so large, you're going to want to put something else on there. So I'm just doing a call to action here. That's a little too big, so I'm going to line it up. I've decided I don't particularly like that, so I'm going to get rid of that. We're going to hit text. I'm going to go add a heading. All right, that's a little small, of course. Doing a quick call to action. And I'm going to go down, see what kind of text this is. It's called Klein, okay. And I'm going to go, and since I want it to match, I don't mind the font, so I'm going to use this font. Search for Klein, because we'd used it. I'm going to go with a similar size. See what this one was. That was 21.6, so now I'm going over here, and I'm actually going to make that probably about 14. Break this up a little bit. This over. And that's a little too big, so I'm going to make sure I get all of the, excuse me, get all of the lettering here. Larger. Center. And I'm going to want to make sure they're all the same size. So what I'm going to do is I have to take care of these individually. I'm going to go back down to 12. And I'm going to click on this to make sure it's the right size. That's at 15, so that was not at the right size. And now I'm going to take the entirety of message. I wanted to make it a little easier to see, so I'm going to click on bold. And I want that to also work with the color scheme, so I am going to choose white. And again, I'm going to click off it and see how this looks. That's a lot of words, but it gets across. Join the best GLW team now. Click on this banner now to see how we can make a difference in your life. So what that's doing is advertising my primary business. It's branding me. So in this case, you'd be advertising whatever your primary business is, and it would be branding you. And all you would have to do is, obviously you want to title, oops, got a little ahead of myself. You want to title your banner the same thing as it says in your banner. So you can do, for example, I'm going to do join the best GLW team now. What this does is sets this up for later for people that know about SEO and all that garbage that I really won't go into at this point, is basically when you name your banners congruent things to your business, it'll eventually pick up stuff somewhere out there in the ether. That much I do know. So I always try to name things congruently. So if I'm doing an image for a YouTube thumbnail, I'll do that and name that the exact same as the title of my YouTube video. So that helps. So just showing you a little bit of freebie advice there. So I'm going to put join GLW team now. And that's what that's going to be saved as. And so when you're all done with your design and you have it how you want it, you can just save this to your computer. All you're going to do is you're going to hit share. You're going to hit download. It'll say the size and everything like that. MP4 video suggested. I absolutely don't want an MP4 video. I don't know why that did that, but I am putting it to a PNG file. And it says audio and video won't play. Well, that's just fine. I just wanted a static banner. So you're going to click download and it'll do its magic. And you'll see a little line that comes up here and that'll tell you it is downloaded. See right there. That concludes this tutorial on how to make a custom size design in Canva. Just a short tutorial for 2024 for everybody out there. And if you like this video, don't be afraid to like, share, comment, subscribe, do all the fun stuff that makes this channel grow. Keep coming back for more info and education. And until we talk again, have a great day.